Hi, beautiful Royals. It's a lovely day out here. Bright, sunny. So happy. I'm so happy to be here. So all you Royals, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for your love, for your encouragement. Thanks for your kind words. And thanks for your videos. Most importantly, thanks for sharing with this society. And I think this is what this society is all about, helping one another, uh, accompanying one another in this journey. My message today, what I'd like to share with you guys, is my perspective. What if God was one of us? What if God was just like any of us, really? You know, multifaceted, um, varieties, signatures. We are all part of God. My concept today is just it's logic, really. Logic. A lot of people say that word logic, logic. A lot a lot of people think about numbers, mathematics, physics. But logic is advanced psychology, really. I mean, when you look at it, all these great people telling you, you know, you can be this, you can be that, you can be whatever you want. It can be great. A lot of people say, it's easier said than done. I mean, when you are already successful and you're telling people, this how I did it. I mean, this is what I had to do, and that was how I came off. Not just coming off, not just coming off as a conqueror, but coming out as a part of healing, of self healing, self development, self elevation, really. I think a lot of people do not understand the concept that everything comes from here, you know. It's all mental. That was my point. I don't mean it comes from your head or your brain. I mean, everything is all psychology, really. It's all about perspective. It's all about intention. It's all about the things that you help to create. It's all about responsibility. If God was just like any of us, I think the idea would be to love all, appreciate all, and not just people, but your own feelings and your own experiences, your own definition, and to accept yourself that whatever you do has to come from you first. It's easy for me to say, oh, it's all right, everything's going to be all right. Anyone can say that. But, when you're going through some serious emotional problem, it's not something that you can be talked out of. It's something you have to talk yourself out of. And this is the trickiest part. We're all here to remind one another of who we truly are. And as we begin to do that, we realize that, we are the power. Power, the real power, is from the self. Once you believe in yourself and you love yourself, you learn to trust yourself, your own intuition. You are perfect. You see. What the Spirit is saying is, I know you can't see the bigger picture. Just wait. Be patient. Especially when things that you said you want is not happening yet. Don't give up. You can't. The Spirit does not get pushed around. You have to push nothing and just be everything. Don't push anything. Allow yourself to feel what you're feeling. Allow yourself to go through those emotions. Allow yourself to get angry, to get sad, and to cry and to laugh and to, it's all emotions. Let it all out. The funniest part, let it out, but don't hold on to it. Let it out and let it go. That's just my message for today. And I'd like to shout out to Robert Fullerton. It's alright, mate. I know what you're going through. Everything will work out eventually. You'll see. All you have to do is learn to trust yourself. We love you. The Royals are here for you to support one another. Don't worry, brother. You're not on your own. Thank you and have a blessed week. Namaste.